why allocators should trust us. So a few points around that, and I wanted to start with the track record history, as I believe in this context it's very important, as we're building on more than a decade of innovation and experience. So let's come from today to the inception, 2015. This is when the whole idea was created, and the founder, Rune Christensen, came up with the idea for eDollar. So that was even before the Ethereum mainnet was live. Also, the same year, the maker holders, the token holders, been granted the governance rights within the protocol. Coming next, 2017, we see DAI, the first over-collateralized decentralized stablecoin, so-called CDP as well. Then, at 2020, we reached full decentralization. The Maker Foundation was dissolved, and the only governing body is pretty much the token holders. At 2021, you can see RWA, very buzzy words at the moment. But first RWA onboarded to DeFi at scale. This has been done at MakerDAO. So once again, a lot of innovation on this timeline. 2024, MakerDAO changed, rebranded to Sky. As DAI is still live, USDS is the main asset, and sUSDS is the yield-bearing version of that. So we're building on more than a decade of an experience. And last year, 2025, S&P Global issued official credit rating for the sUSDS, first decentralized asset in history to receive one. And today, the agentic network is live. Agents like us, Osero, are looking for the best opportunities to allocate USDS from the Sky protocol and get the best risk-adjusted yield to sUSDS holders. I wanted to talk a little bit about security. So look at DAI. This probably been the first smart contract or the first protocol product which went through official verification, which we call today smart contract audit. Then there is over 30 public reports available on the Sky website by auditors like Cantina, Sherlock, Chain Security, and Trail of Bits. And beside of that, there are 3 independent technical teams within the Sky protocol, which are taking care of monitoring the whole infrastructure, and they're running their own security processes. When it comes to transparency, all of this data, as I said, you can check live. It's publicly available on 2 independent dashboards within the Sky ecosystem. You can model the waterfall of losses. You can have a look into the balance sheet, revenue, any cash flows, and so on, provided to you live every day. And lastly, liquidity. I spoke about that a little bit. 4 billion being in the protocol, available for instant withdrawals, and 9 billion of the collateral of the balance sheet could withdraw within the 3 days. All of the assets on the balance sheet are rather short duration and investment grade.